Ever pondered the complexity of calculating the perimeter of an ellipse? It's quite a conundrum, isn't it? Well, today we delve into this fascinating topic. The intriguing reality is that there's no simple formula for the perimeter of an ellipse. This might come as a surprise, especially when we consider how straightforward it is to calculate the circumference of a circle. So, why this added complexity with the ellipse? The root of the complexity lies in the fact that the integral that defines the perimeter of an ellipse cannot be solved in terms of elementary functions. These are your basic operations such as addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, exponentiation, and logarithms. This leaves us in a bit of a pickle, doesn't it? Without a simple formula, we must instead resort to numerical approximations or infinite series to estimate the perimeter. But what exactly makes an ellipse so distinct? It's defined as the set of all points that maintain an equal distance to a set of two foci. The exact shape of an ellipse depends on the distances between the foci and the center of the ellipse. This complex relationship is what makes expressing the perimeter in terms of elementary functions a bit of a challenge. Despite the lack of a simple formula, mathematicians have come up with several methods for approximating the perimeter of an ellipse. One popular approach is using Ramanujan's formula. Based on infinite series, this formula provides a relatively accurate approximation. Alternatively, there's a method that involves dividing the ellipse into small segments and summing the lengths of these segments. Although this method may be less accurate than Ramanujan's formula, it's computationally more efficient. To sum it up, the perimeter of an ellipse is a captivating mathematical problem that has intrigued and challenged mathematicians for centuries. While there is no simple formula to express it, we have a variety of approximation techniques at our disposal. These can provide accurate estimates for practical applications, making the task of calculating the perimeter of an ellipse not only possible but also quite interesting.